Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Welcome to my channel, Living Right, loving what you grow and growing what you love. There's nothing so good as growing your own stuff and seeing the results. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the things growing in my garden. I am so excited, and especially if you haven't watched my video, you should go ahead and head on to my channel. You'll see. So right in the middle, you can see I have lots of tomatoes that are ready to be harvested from this 5 gallon bucket. So I am ready to start harvesting some tomatoes, guys. Potatoes, yeah. As you can see, there's lots of tomatoes growing on here that needs to be harvested. All around. I'm so excited. Also, my longevity spinach is doing well. The bitter leaf is in the corners. Here's some tomatoes I grew from seeds. Rosemary, also down here. And the pepper, it's still not yet ripened, but I definitely have some pepper on that just needs to ripen. I've given out a lot. This, guys, I brought this in from the spring, summertime, throughout the summer. Oh, look at this one in the back. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's so long. And this is a new addition to my greenhouse. It's called, I think it's called Miracle Leaf. Let's do a close up a little bit. It's called Miracle Leaf. And it's very medicinal, just like longevity spinach that's right there in the corner towards the back of the greenhouse. In between, I had these green onions that my husband bought, and I was like, well, rather than why let it go to waste? I just planted them in here and it's growing. So, and the last time I had my last video, my thermostat quit, so I had to buy another one. And right there. Okay, so let's see what we have on the corner here. I see have all these, let's see, there we go. We have these tomatoes growing in the corner, right there. Tomatoes. So I'm having some draft coming through here, so I'm going to put some bubble wrap just to stop the draft from coming in. And right under here is where I have another longevity spinach. So in today's video, I want to show you, because January is always the time to grow seeds. So I want to show you how I do mine. So most of the time so this is, I've already mixed my compost in here. Let's see. Let's give it some. Let me see if I can get it to do what I wanted to do. Okay, awesome. So I have my compost in here, which is a mixture of compost, excuse me, recycled garden mix from outside. I just sift it and I put some fertilizer inside, and then I have it packed in here into this little cotton here. I said that now. So you pack it. If you don't want to use something like this, you might as well just use, like, I'm going to open this door a little bit. It's getting a little bit warm in here. You might use like egg cartons like this one, but make sure it's the one that has a groove in it. So that's what I do. And so once I pack it like that, once I have it packed like this, then I've already mixed my fertilizer, the liquid one that I'm going to use. I've mixed it, and then I will wet it, make sure it's not drenched with water with it, and then I'll plant my seeds in. And I use this little thing here. It's just like a sticking thing, and I just hook it like that and then put the seeds in. So January is the time to grow seeds, guys. So you need to, if you really don't want to spend money buying those seedlings from the store, January is the time you need to get your seeds ready, so that way you have it ready for the harvest. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. And oh, another thing is that once you put them in this thing, you have to, I'm going to put a picture somewhere where you'll see, I put them inside this recycled egg container. No, it's actually not an egg container. It's like a croissant container that I picked up from Costco. So after you eat your croissants, then you can use it, poke some holes in it. I'm going to put a picture up so you can see what I'm talking about. And then I grow mine indoors first. And after that, then what I do is, once it starts germinating, it takes 7 days. I have some that this year I'm planting some eggplants, African garden eggs, and East African garden eggs, and also some other tomatoes that seeds of tomatoes that I purchased online. Because like I said, I'm not going to be buying tomatoes from the store. I haven't been successful with doing stuff like that. So what I put inside this compost here, like I said, is this fertilizer. I put in some vermiculite, and then perlite and stuff like that. And that's all I did, guys. So I'm just going to kind of like step out a little until you can see what's going on in here. So there we go. If you have any questions, you can put your comments your question in the comments. I am not the expert. I just of gardening, very medicinal for me. And so with that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And I want to do another zoom to my tomatoes that are ready to be planted, to be harvested. Once I harvest it, I will show you the picture of what it looks like. Until next time, guys, happy gardening.